Hello, I'm Mia. Listen, repeat, and have fun.
Good morning. Let's start our day in kitchen. I'm making some breakfast before going to work. The kitchen smells so nice and warm. I open the fridge to get some milk. The milk is cold and fresh this morning. I take out the bread and butter. I put 2 slices into the toaster. The bread pops up hot and golden brown. I spread the butter while it's still warm. The butter melts slowly on the toast. I fill the kettle with clean, cold water. The kettle starts to make a soft sound. I wait until the water begins boiling. I put a tea bag into my favorite cup. The hot water smells so strong and good. I add a little sugar and some milk. I stir the tea slowly with a spoon. The cup feels warm and cozy in hands. I take a sip and smile with pleasure. My morning tea makes everything feel peaceful again. Let's cook something easy for breakfast today. I crack 2 eggs into a small bowl. The yolks are yellow and round like sunshine. I beat the eggs gently with a fork. I add a pinch of salt and pepper. The frying pan gets hot on the stove. I pour the eggs and hear them sizzle. The smell of fried eggs fills the room. I flip them slowly, trying not to break. The eggs are soft, golden, and delicious looking. I wash the vegetables under running cold water. The carrots are orange and shiny when clean. I peel them carefully with a small, sharp knife. The cutting board feels steady on the table. I chop the vegetables into small, even pieces.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.
The knife moves smoothly, making a soft sound. I put the pieces into a large bowl. The colors look bright: red, green, orange, yellow. I sprinkle some salt and a bit olive oil. It smells fresh like a summer garden morning. I boil some water for cooking the pasta. The bubbles rise and dance inside the pot. I add some salt before putting the pasta. The pasta cooks slowly until it becomes soft. I stir it so it doesn't stick together. I drain the pasta carefully in a colander. Steam rises up and makes my face warm. I add tomato sauce and mix it gently. The red sauce smells rich and delicious today. I sprinkle cheese on top and it melts beautifully. Time to clean the kitchen after the meal. I put the dirty dishes into the sink. I add some soap and turn on water. The bubbles shine like little rainbows in light. I wash each plate slowly, one by one. The sponge feels soft and smells like lemons. I rinse everything clean with warm running water. I dry the dishes with a clean white towel. The kitchen looks shiny and fresh once again. I feel happy when everything is neat again. I'm hungry again. Let's make a small snack. I take 2 cookies and pour some milk. The cookies smell sweet, like vanilla and chocolate. I dip 1 cookie into the cold milk. It gets soft and tastes really good together. I sit by window and enjoy the moment. I wash the glass and dry it right after. I put the plate back into the cupboard. I close the cupboard doors and check the counter. I open the fridge and take some vegetables. I slice the onions and garlic very carefully. I heat some oil in a large pan. The garlic smells great as it starts cooking. I add chicken pieces and stir them gently. I season the food with salt and pepper. The sauce starts to thicken after a few minutes. I taste the food to check the flavor. I turn off the stove when dinner is ready. I serve the food and enjoy my warm meal. I sweep the kitchen floor and turn off lights.
If you like this video, press like, subscribe, and write your favorite phrase in the comments.